Hey, beautiful moms. Welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the biggest questions new moms have. How often should you use a breast pump? If you're holding your little one right now, give yourself a moment to breathe. You are doing an amazing job. Pumping can feel confusing at first, but once you understand your body's rhythm, it becomes just another part of your routine. Calm, easy, and empowering. Now here's the thing. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, because every mom's body and every baby's feeding pattern are unique. If you're mostly breastfeeding directly, you might only need to pump 2 or 3 times a day. Maybe when your baby skips a feeding, or when you need to store milk for later. But if you're exclusively pumping, consistency is everything. Aim to pump every 3 to 4 hours, about 8 sessions in 24 hours. That helps maintain your milk supply and keeps your body producing comfortably. Try to include 1 session early in the morning when your milk supply is naturally at its highest. While you're pumping, get yourself comfortable. Sit somewhere cozy or even stand if that feels better. Keep your pump parts clean and ready on the table nearby. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. A calm mind really does help with milk flow. Here's a bonus secret most moms swear by. Gentle breast massage before you pump. Just a few circular movements with soft hands can improve milk flow and reduce pressure. Think of it as a mini self-care moment while you're taking care of your baby too. And please, don't forget to hydrate. Keep a big water bottle right next to you, because producing milk takes energy and fluids. Snacks help too. Oats, nuts, and fruits are great for energy and milk supply. If you're a working mom or planning to be away from your baby, make a simple routine that fits your schedule. You might pump once before leaving, maybe once or twice during work hours, and again when you get home. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to be consistent. So, if pumping feels overwhelming right now, trust me, it gets easier. You'll soon find your rhythm, your comfort zone, and your confidence. Remember, a happy, relaxed mom equals a happy, well-fed baby. You're learning something new every day, and that's what makes you an incredible mother.